Gonna be another scorcher today. Just pulling the first tick off me right now. Camera doesn't seem to want to focus on it, so anyhow, working the edge of this pine strip here. Goes from like some bigger pines into some younger ones over here. Just happened to step around this tree here, look down at my feet. Got this one. There's a neat looking little guy. Looks pretty stinking fresh too. Anyhow, there's a bunch of sign in here. Older, just tons of it. Kind of the right age sign that I'm looking for at this point. And I guess if we find any more, we'll definitely be showing you. Switch spots. Yeah, same spot, I guess, just way far away from where I was. Kind of on this little, it's like a knoll here, kind of bridge, I guess. Got one right there, center screen in front of us. See a good bit of sign in here. Hoping to pick one. I just kind of walked onto that. Walking with the sun at my back. Got a little lucky, to be honest, because I was just cutting through this spot mostly. That one also looks real fresh. Huh. Interesting. A weird knot on it there. Alright, we'll scoop some more hopefully.